let's give it a try. Fill up the sink over here. Yes, this one over here. Whoa. You can see that. But it also pumps air. It comes with the air hoses, different sizes. You get the chucks, you get the different fittings. So this thing will pump up anything from a bicycle tire to a beach ball to an air mattress, along with all the fluids. Shows you how to transfer the fuels, how to siphon things, how to pump the air, all the parts. Written in plain English too. So that's pretty cool. Can't go wrong. It's only $5. But with the coupon, it was $5.59 to be specific. But